like I'm floating.
Hel- Hello friends, today we are going to review High Network app and also discuss about its KYC update. As you know, High Network token is listed on Pancakeswap with around $37 price, and now they are ready to do KYC of users after hitting 1 lakh active miners. They have 100K plus downloads and 4-star rating with 26K reviews on Play Store, but only thing they are missing is token address of their token. Generally, when a crypto project listed on any exchanges, then they have to release their token address, but in case of listing on Pancakeswap, they does not need to release their token address because it's just a platform for swapping tokens and trading. Also, it does not include in top tier 1 exchanges like OKX, Bybit, Binance. So you have to choose whether you are interested in this project or not. You can mine 50 high tokens in one mining streak, so it can make you very rich or it can be a scam. So it's up to you to join this project or not. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. There is also a giveaway going on. Check the link in video's description.